Hello, dear student. The last time we seen how to register a partnership firm in Maharashtra. Now, the another next important topic is GST registration. Every student who is going to practice as a GST consultant or a GST tax consultant or work as a tax consultant. He must know how to register GST. Now we see there is a state which is Maharashtra. We all are staying in Maharashtra. So we every must know how to register the GST number in Maharashtra. As a new taxpayer, to log in first time to the GST portal with GST IN and password, you need to perform the following step. Access the URL https colon forward slash www.gst.gov.in forward slash. The GST home page is displayed. Click the login link given in the top right hand corner of the GST home page. Put your username, password and do the login. The new user login page is displayed in the provisional ID or GSTIN or UIN field. Type the provisional ID or GSTIN or UIN received on your email address. In the password field, type the password received on your email address. In the type the characters you see in the image below. Type the CAPTCHA text displayed in the box. Click the login button. Now, new user login. Such type of box is open in front of you. It will ask provisional ID or GSTIN or UIN. Then put the password. Then put the CAPTCHA characters in the image below and click it on login button. Now the next credential page is displayed. In the new username field, enter the username that you want to create to log in into the GST portal. In the new password field, enter a password of your choice that you will be using from next time onwards. Then reconfirm password field, re-enter the new password. Click the button submit. After this, you will get a pop-up box. Enter your username, enter new password, reconfirm the password just we seen and submit the button. A confirmation message is displayed that username and password have been successfully created. You can now log in the GST portal using these credentials. In the username field, type the username that you created. In the password field, type the password. Click the login button. Username password have been successfully created. Kindly log in using these credentials. Now you put the username, you put the password, you click on login button. When you log in for the first time on the GST portal, you will be prompted to file a non-core amendment application to enter bank account details. Click File Amendment button. Note: adding bank details is optional for TDS and TCS taxpayers. Click Skip button to continue to your dashboard. Note 2: for all the taxpayers, even if after 45 days they have not added the bank account details through the non-core amendment, they can only navigate to add bank account through non-core amendment. These taxpayers cannot navigate to any other functionality till they add bank account details and file non-core amendment, as it is only applicable for TDS and TCS taxpayers. These taxpayers can only log out from the GST portal. The application form for editing is displayed and non-core field is available in editable form. Edit the details in the bank account tab by clicking Add New button. How many bank accounts you have? You entered all the bank account numbers. You can add new bank account with Add New button. Now, if you forgotten your username, how do you retrieve your username? To retrieve your username, you need to perform the following step. Access the URL https://www.gst.gov.in/. The GST homepage is displayed. Click the login link given in top right hand corner of the GST homepage. The login page is displayed. Click the Forgot Username link given below the login button. The user credentials page is displayed. In the provisional ID or GSTIN or UIN field, type the provisional ID or GSTIN that you received in the email. In the type the characters you see in the below field, type the CAPTCHA text shown on the screen. Click the Generate OTP button. The one-time password will be sent to your registered email address and mobile number. The OTP verification page is displayed. In the Enter OTP field, enter the OTP that was sent to your registered email address and mobile phone number. Click the Submit. In case your OTP is expired, you want to receive the OTP again on your email address and mobile phone number, click the Resend OTP link. The message username has been emailed to your registered email address. Kindly check your email is displayed. Check your registered email to retrieve the username. Another thing is that if you forgot your password, then what to do? To retrieve your password, you need to perform the following steps. Access the URL https://www.gst.gov.in. The GST homepage is displayed. Click the login given in top right hand corner of the GST homepage. The login page is displayed. Click the forgot password link. The user credential page is displayed. In the username field, type the username that you created while logging in the first time to the GST portal. In the type the characters you see in the image below, type the captcha text shown on the screen. Click the generate OTP button. The one-time password will be sent to your registered email address and mobile number. The OTP verification page is displayed. In the enter OTP field, enter the OTP that was sent to your registered email address and mobile phone number. Click the continue button. In case your OTP expired, you want to receive the OTP again on your email address and mobile number, click the resend OTP button. The new credential page is displayed. In the new password field, enter a password of your choice that you will be using from next time onward. In the reconfirm password field, re-enter the password. Please note that password should be of 8 to 15 characters, which should comprise of at least one number, one special character, one uppercase and one lowercase letter. Click the submit button. The message your password has been successfully reset. Kindly log in using the new password is displayed. You can log in to GST portal using the new password from next time. Another thing is that if you want to change your password, you need to perform the following step. You need to change the password mandatorily after 120 days. Access the URL https://www.gst.gov.in. The GST homepage is displayed. Log into the GST portal using the valid credential. The dashboard is displayed. Click the change password on the top right hand corner of this page. The change password page is displayed. In the old password field, enter the old password that you used to log in. In the new password field, enter a password of your choice that you will be using from the next time onward. The password should be 8 to 15 characters, wherein the minimum length is 8 characters, maximum length is 15 characters, which should comprise at least one number, one special character, one upper letter, one lower letter. New password cannot be same as previous 5 password. This is a very important. Whenever you change your password, don't put a new password which were last 5 password. You always put a new password. Otherwise, your GST portal could not able to open. Okay. Now we seen that how to retrieve password, how to retrieve username. Okay. Now a very important topic is that OTP authentication. After completing the registration process, To log into GST portal, perform the following steps. Navigate to GST login portal, enter your provisional ID or GST IN or UIN and password you entered during the account creation. Enter the CAPTCHA in type the characters you see in the image below field. Click the login button. Pass through the second round of authentication by entering the OTP sent to your mobile number via text message and registered email ID and enter the OTP in the OTP field. Click the submit button. You don't have to enter OTP every time you log in via trusted browser or device that you have previously authenticated from. You will be asked to enter OTP in the following case when you log in for the first time using your credentials. When you try to log in more than 5 times within a minute. When you log in from a new device that you have previously not authenticated from. Whenever you try to log in more than 10 devices in an hour. When you try to log in, check if MFP is not matched with the corresponding MFP of device ID. If anyone is trying to log in from a distant location within a short duration, you will not be able to log in from a country other than India. This one is very important security tool given by the Maharashtra government. If you log in from some other country, the system will blacklist you and following message will display on your screen. What type of message? Your attempt to access the portal has been blocked as per the GST system security process, security policy. Reason: negative country, please check and try again. If you log in from an untrusted IP, then you will not be able to log in and get blocked. Following message will be displayed on the screen. Your attempt to access the portal has been blocked as per GST system security policy. Reason: untrusted IP. Please check and try again. So these are all the security angles they provide us in the GST software, GST portal, and you can easily register a GST number whenever you have got the client who asks you, who wants to register a new GST registration, new GST number. You do all these things very carefully. And dear student, wish you all the best. Now you will get ample time, ample customer. I wish you that this course is very important in your life. Go through all the notes which I provided to you and ask me any question whenever you have any difficulty. You did not hesitate to ask me, but ask me before 9 pm, not after 9 pm. Then I will check the mobile the next morning and I will call you. What is your problem? Huh? Okay. Now all the best to all of you, and we will end this today's session, which is a very important aspect. Thank you.